Alright, unboxing my new toy. I bought this on eBay. Got a good price for it if it's as described. So far so good. Well, I guess you can see what it is. A Yaesu MD1 Reference Microphone, and it was supposedly brand new, even though the box kind of looked like it's been opened. But if it's close to new and it works, I'll be happy. So anyway, a record for me too, in case I got scammed or anything. So opening it up, oh, that's good. Warranty card and a manual. Manual looks new. So far so good. Yep, more stuff to open. Packing looks good. Alright, that looks like a M1 reference mic to me. And certainly don't look like a scam. That's the mouth guard. Yeah, I think it doesn't even come with connects. And I think it's a XLR. What's this over here? Maybe that's the connectors. This mic used to sell for $800 from a couple websites, and then they knocked it down to $700, and they got like $100 rebate going on. I think the best price I seen on it at a like an amateur radio website was like $550. But I got it on eBay for $4, so I finally pulled the trigger on it. Oh no, we got a cord. Something else in here. What are those? Oh, look like different voltage AC wall warts in there. Look like I see European, and look like a 221 and some. That one there looks like an American one. I guess this thing does run on power. I always thought it was battery powered, but I don't know. Well, anyway, we gotta look into it. I'm Doctor's happy with my new toy, Yaesu M1. I'm gonna have to figure out how I'm gonna hook this bad boy up. You know, using balance or going through rack gear, or how I want to do this going into a CB, and what one I want to run it on. But anyway, I'm happy. Tram Doctor's new toy, Yaesu M1 Reference Microphone. It's a dual element with the EQ in it in the front there. And you could set the EQ for the two dual elements independently. So you can like run bass off of one and the treble, you know, high on the other, or whatever. You can tailor the sound, you know, however you want. So alright, that's it for this one for now. Bye.